Hello guys, today I will show you how to open Chromium. Chromium is an open secure browser that serves as the basic for many popular web browsers including Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. If you are a Windows 10 user and want to install Chromium, then you are in the right place. In this video, we will guide you how the step-by-step process of downloading and installing Chromium on Windows 10. Step 1. Open your current browser. To download Chromium, you will first need to open your current browser. This could be Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, or any other browser you are currently using. Step 2. Search for Chromium. Once you have your current browser open, you will need to search for Chromium. You can do this by typing Chromium into the search bar and hitting enter. This will take you to the official Chromium download page. Step 3. Download Chromium. On the Chromium download page, you will see a list of available downloads. Choose the appropriate download for your system by clicking on the download button next to it. You can choose between a 32-bit or 64-bit version depending on your system. Step 4. Choose your download location. Once you have selected the appropriate version of Chromium, you will need to choose the download location. Choose the location that is easy for you to remember, such as your desktop or download folder. Step 5. Wait for the download to complete. After selecting your download location, Chromium will start downloading. The time it takes to download will depend on your internet speed, but it should only take a few minutes. Step 6. Extract the download files. Once the download is complete, you will need to extract the download files. To do this, simply right click on the downloaded file and select extract or choose the location for the extracted files and click extract to proceed. Step 7. Install Chromium. After the files have been extracted, open the extracted folder and locate the Chrome text file. Double click on this file to start the installation process. Step 8. Customize your installation. During the installation process, you will have the option to customize your installation. You can choose which component to install, such as bookmark, browsing history, and saved password. You can also choose whether or not to make Chromium your default browser. Step 9. Finish the installation. After customization your installation, click the install button to start the installation process. This will only take a few moments, and when it completes, you shall see a message saying Chromium has been successfully installed. Step 10. Launch the Chromium. To launch, simply click the finish button on the installation window or find the Chromium icon on your desktop or in the start menu. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded and installed Chromium on your Windows 10 device. With Chromium, you can enjoy a fast and